We stand at a crossroads of food and health. Modern diets, laden with processed foods, have led us astray. But there's hope in the wisdom of the past. Ancient grains like millet offer a path back to nourishing traditions. Millet, a tiny seed with a mighty nutritional punch, sustained civilizations for millennia. Now this ancient grain is experiencing a resurgence. It's time to rediscover its power for our modern lives. Millet is more than just a trend. It's a return to a way of eating that honors both our bodies and the planet. As we grapple with the challenges of chronic disease, sustainable agriculture, and food security, millet emerges as a beacon of hope. This unassuming grain, with its resilience and nutritional wealth, holds the potential to revolutionize the way we eat. Millet, a term encompassing several species of small-seeded grasses, boasts an ancient lineage. Cultivated for over 10,000 years, it predates wheat and rice as a staple food source. From the sun-drenched fields of Africa to the foothills of the Himalayas, millet nourished ancient civilizations. Its resilience in arid and semi-arid regions made it a lifeline for many cultures. Today, millet remains a dietary cornerstone in parts of Africa and Asia. Its affordability, adaptability, and impressive nutrient profile make it a valuable crop. In a world grappling with climate change and food insecurity, millet offers a sustainable solution. This hardy grain thrives in harsh conditions, requiring minimal water and resources. Rediscovering millet is not just a culinary adventure, it's a step towards a more resilient and equitable food system. Millet is not a single entity but rather a diverse family of grains. Each variety boasts a unique flavor profile, texture, and culinary application. The most common types include foxtail millet, pearl millet, finger millet, proso millet, and barnyard millet. Foxtail millet, with its delicate rice-like texture, is a staple in India. Pearl millet, known for its mild flavor, is popular in Africa. Finger millet, with its slightly earthy taste, is a traditional food in parts of Africa and India. Proso millet, prized for its nutty flavor, is common in Eastern Europe and Russia. And barnyard millet, with its quick cooking nature, is gaining popularity in gluten-free circles. This diversity within the millet family offers a world of culinary possibilities. From savory porridges to fluffy breads and crispy snacks, millet's versatility knows no bounds. Millet's claim to fame lies not just in its history, but also in its exceptional nutritional profile. This tiny grain packs a powerful punch when it comes to essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Millet is a good source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy. Unlike simple carbohydrates that lead to sugar spikes, millet's complex carbohydrates break down slowly. This steady release of energy helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Millet is also an excellent source of dietary fiber, crucial for digestive health. It promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Furthermore, millet is naturally gluten-free, making it a safe and nutritious alternative for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. The benefits of incorporating millet into your diet extend far beyond basic nutrition. Research suggests that this ancient grain may play a role in preventing and managing various health conditions. Millet's high magnesium content has been linked to improved heart health. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Moreover, millet's impressive antioxidant profile may protect against oxidative stress and cellular damage. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals which are implicated in aging and chronic diseases. Some studies suggest that millet consumption may improve insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable food for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Its high fiber content also contributes to weight management by promoting satiety and reducing overall calorie intake. Section 6. Bringing millet to your table. Easy ways to enjoy this superfood. Integrating millet into your daily meals is easier than you might think. This ancient grain is not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile, making it a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, you'll find that millet can be incorporated into your meals with minimal effort. Its versatility allows it to seamlessly blend into both sweet and savory dishes. From breakfast to dinner and even dessert, millet can be your go-to ingredient. Imagine starting your day with a hearty millet porridge, enjoying a millet salad for lunch, and ending with a delicious millet-based dessert. One of the simplest ways to enjoy millet is to prepare it as a porridge. This comforting dish can be made in just a few steps, and is perfect for a nourishing breakfast. Simply combine millet with water or milk, and cook until tender. The result is a creamy, satisfying porridge that can be enjoyed plain, or with a variety of toppings. You can then customize your porridge with your favorite toppings, such as fruits, nuts, seeds, or spices. This not only adds flavor, but also boosts the nutritional value of your meal. Millet also makes a fantastic addition to salads, adding a nutty flavor and satisfying crunch. It's a great way to elevate a simple salad into a more filling and nutritious meal. You can toss cooked millet with roasted vegetables, leafy greens, and a flavorful dressing. This combination not only tastes great but also provides a balanced mix of nutrients. For a heartier meal, try using millet as a base for veggie burgers, meatballs, or loaves. These millet-based dishes are not only delicious, but also a great way to enjoy a plant-based diet. Its neutral taste allows it to absorb the flavors of other ingredients beautifully. This makes millet an excellent base for a variety of dishes, as it can take on the taste of the spices and seasonings you use. And for a gluten-free alternative to rice, try serving millet as a side dish alongside curries, stews, or stir-fries. Its light, fluffy texture pairs well with a range of flavors, making it a versatile addition to any meal. Whether you're looking to diversify your diet or simply enjoy a new ingredient, millet offers endless possibilities. Section 7. Millet versus the rest. Comparing nutritional benefits. When it comes to nutritional value, millet stands tall among other grains. Compared to refined grains like white rice and white bread, millet is a nutritional powerhouse. It boasts significantly higher amounts of fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. While rice is a good source of carbohydrates, it lacks the diverse nutrient profile of millet. Wheat, although a source of protein and fiber, contains gluten, which can be problematic for some individuals. Millet, being gluten-free, offers a safe and nutritious alternative. Furthermore, millet's low glycemic index makes it a better choice for blood sugar control compared to rice and wheat. This makes millet a particularly beneficial grain for individuals with diabetes or those watching their blood sugar levels. Section 8. Possible side effects of millet consumption. While millet is generally safe for consumption, some individuals may experience mild side effects. These side effects are usually not severe and can be managed with a few dietary adjustments. The high fiber content in millet, while beneficial for most, can cause digestive discomfort in some people. This is particularly true for those who are not used to a high fiber diet. This may include bloating, gas, or diarrhea, particularly when consumed in large quantities. These symptoms are usually temporary and subside as your body adjusts to the increased fiber intake. It's important to introduce millet into your diet gradually, allowing your body to adjust to the increased fiber intake. Start with small portions and gradually increase the amount over time. Additionally, millet contains goitrogens, substances that can interfere with thyroid hormone production. These compounds are found in several other foods as well, such as cabbage, broccoli, and soy. While this is usually not a concern for individuals with a healthy thyroid, those with hypothyroidism should consume millet in moderation and consult with their healthcare provider. It's always best to get personalized advice based on your specific health condition. Overall, millet is a safe and nutritious grain for most people. It offers numerous health benefits, including being rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants. However, it's always wise to listen to your body and moderate your intake if you experience any adverse reactions. Consulting with a nutritionist or healthcare provider can help you make the best dietary choices for your health. Section 9. The future is golden, embracing millet for a healthier tomorrow. In a world searching for sustainable, nutritious, and delicious food solutions, millet shines bright. This humble grain, often overlooked in modern diets, is making a remarkable comeback. Its resilience in harsh climates and minimal water requirements make it an ideal crop for a changing world. This ancient grain, with its impressive history and remarkable health benefits, holds the key to a healthier future. Rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, millet supports overall well-being. Its high fiber content aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. By embracing millet, we not only nourish our bodies but also support a more resilient and equitable food system. Small-scale farmers benefit from growing millet, as it requires fewer inputs and can thrive in less fertile soils. This promotes agricultural diversity and reduces dependency on a few staple crops. Let us rediscover the wisdom of our ancestors and make millet a staple in our modern kitchens. From traditional recipes passed down through generations to innovative new dishes, millet offers endless culinary possibilities. Its mild flavor and versatile texture make it a perfect ingredient for both savory and sweet creations. Whether you're seeking to improve your health, explore new culinary horizons, or contribute to a more sustainable future, millet is an excellent place to start. Imagine starting your day with a warm bowl of millet porridge, enjoying a hearty millet salad for lunch, or indulging in a millet-based dessert. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, reach for a bag of this golden grain and embark on a journey of culinary discovery and nutritional well-being. Experiment with different recipes and share your creations with friends and family. Let millet nourish your body and inspire a more mindful and delicious way of life. Together we can embrace this ancient grain and pave the way for a healthier, more sustainable future.